es input comprensible? Or what is comprehensible input? Hello?
Comprehensible input. Comprehensible input. Comprehensible input.
Hello?
Comprehensible input.
Weird.
990. 999. 1,000. I need some music.
Comprehensible input. Comprehensible input. Comprehensible input. Comprehensible input.
What?
What a great day. What a great day. Okay. Right. Ready to go. Comprehensible input!
With comprehensible input, we learn. We learn with pictures, sounds, and actions. Actions. Running, swimming, eating, actions. Watch me. You watch me. With no comprehensible input. I have a dog. With comprehensible input. I have a dog. With better comprehensible input. I have a dog. Roof, roof. Can you understand? Yes? Great. Genial. Now you're learning. Now you're learning. You're understanding English. I'm not teaching with a textbook. No. You're not learning with Duolingo. Ugh. You're learning English with English. Let's try again with no comprehensible input. I can jump really high. I can jump really high. With comprehensible input. I can jump really high. I can jump really high. With better comprehensible input. I can jump really high. I can jump really high. Do you understand? Great. Genial. With comprehensible input, you learn little by little, step by step. It's like climbing a mountain, little by little, step by step. But if you keep going, if you keep climbing the mountain, your English will improve. So keep listening, keep watching, and you will understand. Keep listening, Keep listening, keep watching, and your English will improve. I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.